Come on, Mr. Brian. Brian, I've already told you it's 15 million naira or nothing. Come to think of it, you're speaking with the biggest brand influencer as we speak. I mean, let's stop hiding it or trying to run away from the truth. It's glaring. In the entire social media, I am number one. You can see my number of followers. Imagine when you have me as your brand ambassador. My name alone draws influence of customers. Honestly, I don't know. I have nothing else to say. It's just that amount and nothing. It's 15 million naira. You know what my page can do. You know the traffic it draws. Alright, sir, I've heard you. You know what? Like I said earlier, that's the price and it's not going down. And from now on, I'll just have to refer you to my manager if you don't mind. You will discuss further with him if there's any need for that. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Wow. 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 Darling. From 10 million naira to a whooping 15 million naira. That's a big step, my darling.
Yeah, and it will keep going higher. I mean, what do you expect? I have 10.8 million followers on my social media. Wherever my name pops up, people want to see great content. So what do you expect? Baby, remember when I did my last birthday, I said it's 15 million naira, no more 10 million naira. And the next, I'll keep taking it higher and higher. I mean, I worked it, right?
Yeah, of course. You know, they need to know your work.
Exactly.
And I guarantee you, they'll come after you.
Thank you so much, baby. I know they'll come back. I know.
Of course they will. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, my darling. I wouldn't have done this without you.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you for being the best baby in the world.
You're welcome. I love you.
I love you more. What?
So, what are you watching?
Nothing really. I was just looking this time and this man has just been adamant about his price, but we can just...
Who be that? I don't go knock small. You just did a knock like that. Come on, go back. Just a knock like that, man. Mama, good morning, ma. Good morning, ma. Ma, help you. Ma, carry the bag for you, mama.
Mama, let me help you carry it. Bruce. You sure so you don't talk to them anyhow? Shut up.
Hi. Mama, welcome.
Welcome.
Ma, you're welcome.
Mama, is everything okay? We were not expecting you. I mean, you didn't tell us you're coming. Are you?
Yes, sir. My son, everything is okay. You know, at times, desperate situations need desperate measures to be taken care of.
We are lost, Mama.
We're lost here.
Very correct. That's why I'm here, that you two may be found, because actually you're lost. You remember that man that gives us helps? I went to meet him on your behalf. And he gave me very powerful, energetic helps. And he said that once you touch your wife after that, why? Oh dear me. You see, Kenneth, you have to pay for this. You know it's expensive. The moment you touch your wife, she will give us children. We need children. You see it here? Look at this. He instructed, you see how I'm guarding this bag? Nobody touches it. He instructed that this must not touch ground. Yes, that's why I'm guarding it. So,
Okay,
me?
Mama, I know where this is coming from, okay? It's coming from a place of love, and I really appreciate the fact that you're trying to make things better for us. But the truth is, childbearing has never been the issue here.
Yeah, Kene, what are you saying? Childbearing have never been an issue? Then why? What have you been doing? For how many years have you been married? 4 solid years and nothing to show for it. And you say, it has never been because of child. What are you waiting for there? Is it when you're old, dead, down the grave before you start thinking of having children? No. Omame. Eh? Omame. This night? Okay, you say, somebody should go show me to the room. I need to get to the room. I need to rest. Then 12 on the dot. Action time. 12 on the dot, yeah.
Action for what?
Action. Oh, men, no. Just show me to the room.
Yes, Mama. Let's go, please. Can I help you?
No, don't worry. After you. And Kene, please get me water. I need drinking water. I'm thirsty.
Mama, are you sure?
Don't worry. After you.
Oh my God. Mothers.
Hey! You two are still sleeping. Have you forgotten we have something to do? Get up! Get up! Kneel! Get up, kneel down there.
Mama, what is the problem?
I said get up, kneel down. Look at you. You're saying what is it? You should be ashamed of you. 4 years after marriage. No child. And you're not bothered at all. Get up. Just kneel down, we're praying. Kneel down, I'm already down. Kneel down here. You kneel there. Kneel there. Osiso. Kneel. Yeah, kneel. Close your eye. How? Father in heaven, I thank you, Lord. I thank you for this day. Thank you that I'm in this house. You are God the Father, God the Son, and God the Holy Spirit. Father, I have come again, Lord God, before you. Look at my son. My son does not have a child 4 years after their marriage. So I have come. Oh, Chim, I have come. This is herbs. You created it, that it will be vegetable for us, food, and also medicine for us. So please, bless it. As my son and his wife takes this, this month, the wife will conceive. Let this become the balm of Gilead that you told us in the Bible. Because Abenum, Eke, Afo, Nkwo, Ori, Enyekwa Nkunu. Kunu bokata aka, make or deal. Kaka na yona, Jesus, on your way. Amen. Say amen. Say amen, you. Say amen,
Amen.
Oh, no.
I seriously don't know why you're laughing because it's not funny, Amanda.
No, you're not being serious. Like, you expect me not to laugh after you just told me something that's funny. I mean, this is pure Nollywood fame. And to think your mother-in-law was praying to God and the ancestors at the same time, how does that even connect? Guys, she's a very funny lady. Honestly, she is.
And I can't even believe I took that concoction. Oh, she made me take it.
I'm so sorry, but she actually has to be very powerful to make you take that because you.
Well, I don't just still get it. What's her business in this whole thing? Why is she dragging us? Like, why is she pushing us to have kids? Ken and I, we're okay. We don't have any issue. Having kids now is the least of our problems. We have a lot going on in our lives now, especially me. Having children now will just ruin my body and my shape. Can't she just get it?
How do you expect her to know that? I mean, she's just doing what a caring mother-in-law would do.
Oh, please spare me that.
Natasha, don't blame her. She's actually trying to help you.
Whatever she's trying, I do not know. All I know now is that I need her out of my life and house. I mean, I can't deal with her excesses anymore.
But you know, for her to leave, you have to do something way stronger. Because from what you just explained now, it seems like the lady is a hard nut to crack.
Okay. Alright, don't worry, I know what to do.
You sounded so mean.
I really know what to do. Just leave it for me. Because I don't know what her problem is.
Not that deep, honestly.
It's that deep. Because you're not in my shoes. If you were in my shoes, like if you were there, you'd be so pissed. I don't know what's the old woman's problem. I don't know what her problem is. No, don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. I'm okay. I'm fine.
Your prayers might work, actually.
What prayers?
Prayers
Having
to
kids
God and
now?
ancestors.
Are
you not supposed to have children?
I know I'm meant to have children, but let's not forget that I am at the peak of my career. Can you please stop laughing?
Wait, please, allow me, please.
No, stop laughing.
Be honest.
Because you're not in my shoes. If you were the one, you'd be so mad.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
I mean, what's her business in the first place?
Just calm down.
Having
She's
kids
just
now?
trying.
Did she even think about it?
What do you mean? Are you not meant to have children?
I know, but not now. I'm in the peak of my career.
Okay.
Mama, please, I don't want to hear it. I'm tired of hearing this. Every single day, Mama. Mama, please talk to me.
Kenechukwu,
Give me
I'm
a
talking
break.
to you. Where are you going to? Come back here and listen to me.
Mama, I'm tired of doing all this.
You're tired. Kenny, what is wrong with you? How can you be married to a woman for 4 good years? She has not given you any child. Not even a miscarriage, and you're not worried about it. Your nonchalant attitude about it.
Mama, please,
Why?
I don't know why you keep working yourself about this every single time, okay? We are okay. We know what we're doing. We're good, okay?
There you go again. You know what you're doing, Kenny. How are you okay? Somebody gave birth to her. I gave birth to you. She needs to reproduce. And I need children from you. Your children will be my grandchildren as my only son. What is it, Kenny? Now listen. I came for things to work out. And honestly, God knows it must work out. This must have to work out. Did you hear me? That jinx must be broken.
Mama.
Don't mama me and listen very carefully. Kenny, you see, don't say I did not tell you. I came prepared, like I said earlier. Things will work out. But if this fails to work out, then I will have to implement my plan B. Did you get that? Yes. Don't say. Make sure your wife is aware of that. So you better start taking that herbs that I came with. It will help out.
Plan B.
Hi, baby. How do I look?
Good.
Babies, is there any problem? Like, I don't know what's wrong. Your attitude of late has just been something else. You've been cold lately. What's the problem?
Natasha, it's been 4 years now since you and I got married. 4 good years. Don't you think it's time we start making babies?
Oh, I see. I see where this is coming from. So, she has finally influenced you. Huh?
Please, don't even blame this on Mama. You know very much well that Mama's agitation is the right thing. She's doing the right thing for us. I also want a baby too, and I'm sure you do.
Says who? Wait, Ken. Have you suddenly forgotten our discussion before marriage? Which you agreed to. You said you had no problem with it. About me having children now. Have you also forgotten my career? I'm a model. I need to keep my body shape and size. I have lots of companies. I signed their deals. And all this comes because of my body shape. So what are you talking about?
I know I agree to this, but...
There's no buts. It's either you agree to it or not. Because I'm not ready and I'm not even thinking about jeopardizing my career, for just a child. I won't. We talked about all this, which you agreed to it, right? I told you I wasn't ready for all this marriage thingy, but you said you had no problem with it, and it won't cause trouble. So why all this?
Babe, I might pretend to be happy, but the truth is, I'm not so happy. I'm a man, for God's sake. And aside that, I'm also the only son of my parents. I need kids.
Oh, really? And if you're the only son of your parents, you know what to do. Go out there and get the kids any way you choose.
Excuse me?
Oh, yes, you heard me loud and clear. Because I'm not ready to give up my body shape and size just to have babies. We discussed this. And hey, if it's because of your mother's display, tell her it won't work. She better goes back to her house. Because we've been happy here without her.
Natasha.
No. Don't Natasha me. Right now, I need you to stand up as a man. The man of the house. Excuse me.
Hey, Tash.
Hi, David. I'm so sorry I'm late. Just had to deal with something really important.
It's alright.
sorry.
It's fine. Whoa, look at that. This is stunning. I like it.
Thank you. It's all about the business.
Yeah. So,
Thank you.
Mr. Brian, he has agreed to pay 50 million naira for.
Hello. Sorry, you were saying?
Yeah, it's fine. So good news. Mr. Brian has agreed to pay the 50 million naira for the endorsement deal.
Really?
Yes. So we're signing the contract on Friday to close the deal. Then after which, we'll be having a commercial photo shoot on the 17th of this month, which is 12 days after Friday.
Exactly. Wow. Oh my God. Like, I wouldn't say
Thank you.
Thank you. Well, I wouldn't say I'm surprised. I'm really happy. I was expecting him to pay.
Really?
I mean, where else would he get such value from? We're going to give him value of his money.
Yeah.
Take a look at my entire social media platforms.
I mean,
we have 1 million followers and still counting. So why won't he?
why wouldn't he?
I'm
That's why
so
I call
happy.
you. That's why I call you my unbeatable number one.
Thank
You're
you.
matched.
Thank you so much.
So everything is set. Friday we hit.
All right.
Yeah. So I contracted Zaragoza Wears
Okay.
for your styling,
All right.
and Tash,
Yeah.
I had to forgive Franca.
You did?
Yeah, I had to. She has been on my neck, so let me just forgive her. So I'm bringing her in for the makeup.
I just hope you know what you're doing. I hope she's going to do better this time. I don't like people with lackadaisical behavior.
I know
It's not
you
nice for the
don't.
business.
I know you don't. But hey, she won't. I'm giving my
Say
word
so.
she won't.
Fine.
Because she's going to be busy trying to impress me at work, so she won't.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so everything is ready.
All right.
Yeah.
That's
So
fine.
we hit.
Okay. So cheers to this
Cheers
new deal.
to seeing the deal. Cheers to more money,
More endorsements.
more endorsements.
Thank you so much, David.
Alright. So I have everything in check. But I will update you, of course, if there's any new development.
Okay. All right. That's fine. So you talked about the styling.
Yeah.
Amazing Natasha family. It's your family. It is Natasha Adams, and I bring you all good news. Right now, your girl is just a brand ambassador of Brian O's conglomerates. Signed and sealed. You all are surprised, right? Well, I am surprised too, but I'm here to tell you all right now we are moving forward. We all know what Brian O's is into. They are into real estate, they are into hospitality management, they are into interior decoration, and a whole lot more. I'll be flooding my social media timeline with. So guys, can we have a date by 7 p.m. because I will be having a massive giveaway. And we all know how it goes. So guys, turn on your post notification because right now we are moving forward. We are not slacking, but we all know how our giveaway goes, right? See you all at 7 p.m. Thank you so much. Natasha loves you. Mwah. Bye-bye.
That was amazing.
Right?
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Whoa.
Wow, like this one is really massive. Natasha really hit it big this time, and I'm so happy for her.
Of course, we need to. I mean, she put in so much effort, dedication, and hard work. So, I'm not surprised whenever she cash out big like this. Like, I'm so happy for her.
I'm telling you, you know what? We need to call her immediately so we can
You're
be
right.
the
So,
first to
who is
congratulate
calling
her.
me or
No, wait, let me call her.
Okay.
We move, baby girl.
Baby girl, I'm so happy for you. Like, this is massive. Congrats, baby.
Jemima?
Yes, so Namio, you know now. Like, you're all over social media. You're trending. I'm proud of you, baby.
Thank you so much. It's either securing the bag or nothing. You know the goal already now.
Yes, now.
Babes, this is well deserving and we need to party hard for this one. Oh.
I'm game.
Sure, have you forgotten who I am? That's Natasha Adams. I haven't even started posting. When I start posting and flooding my entire social media, they will hear what? I mean, it's me. Have you forgotten?
We dare your bag, baby. 247. Carry go.
Okay, hold on, wait. I don't understand. Are we all going to hook up this night or something?
Oh, yes. And as for partying, we are going to do more. Let me just go home, sort one or two things out, and I'll hit you girls up.
Okay, baby.
Bye.
We love
care.
you. Mwah.
Don't waste time, oh.
All right, babies. Love you. Bye-bye. My friends, they're so excited.
Instagram is on fire.
Really?
Yes! Your video just hit 10,000 views in 20 minutes.
I can see that.
This is massive! Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, this is massive. But come to think of it, what are we even talking about? Mr. Brand O's company is one of the best and the envy of all celebrities. So what are we talking about? 10,000 views is just too small. I mean, it's what's hitting and setting the entire social media on fire.
You're right.
So now, if it's just 10 minutes and we hit 10,000 views,
Yeah.
in 24 hours, it's going to be a bomb blast.
I mean,
it's going to be a
2
bomb
million or
blast.
something.
We should go now.
Yeah, of
baby.
course, of course.
I don't even know what to wear, honestly, because I'm trying hard not to look slow.
Me too. I need to rush to the house. Like, I need to rush to the house.
Why are you going now? Why are you leaving me now?
Of course, I need to leave. I don't even know what to wear.
Kene, you are my loving husband. I love you and I love our marriage. Babe, I secured a big bag for us today. The whole world is happy for me. And the one I truly love can't even celebrate with me. Baby, I'm very sorry about the way I spoke to you in the morning. Please forgive me, I'm so sorry. We're going to have children, baby. Please, I know this, but I just need a little more time. Just a little more time.
Till when? Tell me, Tasha. Till when? We have already come 4 years in this marriage. I don't know.
Baby, we've always been happy, even before Mama visited. Baby, please, let's just stay happy regardless. Okay?
I know, but
No,
Mama...
baby, can you please listen to me? I beg you. I just need a little more time. And I'm pleading now for you to follow me for the celebration party. I need you to be there, just like how we've always been doing it. You've really been a lovely, supportive husband. Please, baby, come with me. Let's show the world that you're still that lovely, supportive, romantic, and best husband I've always had and still have. Please. Okay? Please, baby, I love you so much.
I love you too. So much.
Thank you.
Thank you too, baby. What's that noise?
I don't know.
Let's go find out.
Why do I think with them? I don't know.
From where?
Mama, what was the meaning of all that? What was the meaning of what I just witnessed in this house? I mean, I don't know why you do this. Why will you use any opportunity you get to create a scene that will cause an embarrassment for me, making my house toxic, just because you want to have grandchildren?
What nonsense are you talking about? Do you know how much it cost me to bring in those prayer warriors? Do you know how much I've spent so far?
Mommy, I did not ask you to do those things for me.
All I'm doing is for your own good. It's for your own good, Kene. Eh? Are you not even ashamed of yourself? You are my only child, my only son. No issues. Eh? Do you think you're getting any younger? Of course you're not getting younger. Talk more of your wife. Ochomma chotomo. Eh? Even one, just one, not two.
Mom, please, Mom, please. That's something I'll not take. you can do anything or say anything, but please, I will not have you talk about my wife in such a manner. Please.
Then let her give me grandchildren. That's all I ask for. Grandchildren. You think you're getting younger? No, you're not. What's your problem? I do this, you complain. I do this, you complain. And all I'm doing is for your own good. Are you not even ashamed of yourself? Eh? Now listen. For your information, you see the prayer deliverance you just witnessed, just a little of it. They are into 3 stages. That was the first. The second one, you and your wife will come to the temple. And the third, you will go to the mountain and get involved in 3 days praying and fasting. And after that, you end up at the stream to be cleansed. Then let me see that spirit that will say you will not give me children. You are fruitful. God forbid you give me children.
Mama, I can never do that.
Shut up! Osegini, who talk? You. I'm talking, bringing up solution, and you're opening your mouth. I say, shut up! Did you get that? I said, shut up. Have I designed your face before? Have I slapped you? Don't take my lenience for granted. Because if I turn you upside down, if I turn you, you won't like me. So be very careful. You won't give me children, and I'm bringing up solution. You have the mouth to open your mouth. Yes. Second. She goes up. But let me see how you will not finish those 3 steps. Now listen, Kenny. Go up there. Tell her the 2 of you must finish it. It must be accomplished. And at the end of that, good news. Let me see that spirit I was saying.
Mom, do you realize you are taking these things too far? You're taking this in way too far. I don't like this.
Kenny, it's all for your own good. You need children. I need grandchildren. That's what I asked for. Did you get that? Now let me rest. I need some rest. Because there is another section of prayers tonight. I will ask you to choose.
Trying to keep my cool, but I can't. You need to talk to your mother. Because I cannot be in my house and take her excesses. I won't be taking these insults anymore. I can't.
Oh,
I mean, no. How can I be in my own house and be eating the insults she feeds me with on a daily basis? I can't do that. She won't leave her own house and make mine uncomfortable. This is my matrimonial home, so I have to ask her to leave. You really have to ask her to leave.
Tasha, before you flare up, think about this. There's absolutely nothing wrong with you, okay? You can actually make babies. So why don't you just, make a few and avoid all this charade or this chaos that Mama is causing? Come to think about it, I actually want children and you can always get your shape back.
Hell no. That's not happening, Ken. I told you from the onset that I didn't want to have kids now and you agreed. I told you I never wanted the marriage, but you promised to always be understanding. So why can't you keep to your promise?
It is true that I promised. It is true that I agreed. But babe, listen. Things have changed now. Times are different. Just try and consider.
I'm not considering anything. What am I even talking about? Must everyone have children even? Huh? That's why pets are created. So you can get a cat, a dog, rabbit, anything. I don't care.
Pets?
Yes, pets.
Babe, I don't want pets. I want actual humans, our own DNA. I want children.
Well, I do not care, Ken. Do you know what it took me and still taking me to stay this slim? If I'm out of shape, it's out of business. If I'm out of shape, I'm out of business. And you know this.
Babe, yes, I know this. But let's even leave Mama out of the equation. Think about other people. Some are thinking I'm impotent. Others are thinking you and I have fertility issues. Babe, I want children. And it's very important. Let's just have a few and I promise everything will be fine. Okay, come on. It's been 4 years since our marriage.
What am I even talking about? Why am I still... Listen, Ken, it's fine, okay? I need you to deal with this. If you're not happy in this relationship, this marriage anymore, and you can't talk to your mother, why don't you just file for a divorce?
Tasha.
Or I do it myself.
Tasha, what is wrong with you?
It's up to you, excuse me.
Tasha, has it gotten to this?
Your mother, you go,
Tasha!
So, you heard all I said.
Yes, Mom. Yes, Mom.
In the next 1 month, I'll wait the good news. Eh? And it's good.
Mama, you don't go?
Yes.
Say, Mama. Okay, let me help you carry your bag.
Thank you very much. Eh? Thank you. So, in the next 1 month, I'll wait the good news. It must be good news. You see, this is one battle we have to win.
Mama, you know you need to go now before it gets late. Let me take you, okay? Come on.
Do you know how this place will look when you have children running around you?
Yeah.
Ken, you're looking as if I'm stuffing you, but you'll see.
Mom.
It will happen and you will love it. Don't worry. Come go drop me.
Alright. No problem, Mom.
Okay.
Mama, we miss you.
My daughter.
Mama.
Take care of my son and his wife, eh? Thank you, darling.
Okay.
Hi.
Tasha, can you just stop? Just stop. Please, just scrap all this divorce thing out of your mind. Where did it even come from? It hasn't gotten to that.
Amanda, what do you expect me to do? Let them bring things for me? Like they should ruin my fame? I won't let them do that. Do you think I'm not happy with the millions that keeps rolling in on my table? And this millions keeps coming because of this figure. So I'm not ready to jeopardize my fame and my fortune for what? For rubbish? Rubbish.
Are you being serious? You're actually placing money, fame and whatsoever you just said over your beautiful family, Tasha. Tasha, Ken is an amazing husband. You have an amazing family that everyone prays to have.
Yeah.
Exactly, Tasha. Your family is amazing and that should matter to you. Family first.
I know. And I am really grateful for my beautiful family. But what no one is getting is that I'm in my prime now. And I'm not ready to just let it go. Listen, if Ken can't take the entire pressure coming from left and right, I'll just have to let him go. I have no other choice. I can't. God.
Well, I have a secret to tell you. Maybe to change your mind a bit.
I'm all ears.
Tasha, look, you have to promise me you won't tell anybody. This is just between you and I.
Sure.
Okay. You know Tracy, my sister?
Mm-hmm.
Tracy is not the carrier of her 2 kids, Daniel and Sophie.
I don't understand. What do you mean by she's not the carrier of her kids?
Like she didn't carry the kids in her womb, but the kids are hers.
Surrogacy?
Exactly.
Really? She went through that?
Exactly.
Wow. Wait, are you for real?
Yeah, it's very easy. All you have to do is talk to Ken about it. If he agrees, talk to him about it. You guys will, when you guys are ready, you pay to the surrogate home. They get someone for the insertion. And after 9 months, you go back with your DNA proof to ascertain the baby is yours.
Wow.
That easy.
Just wow.
Exactly.
I mean, this is a beautiful idea.
Exactly. So scrap the divorce. Just scrap it out.
Amanda, this is a lovely idea.
I know.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Surrogate? Thanks.
You're welcome. So I think you should go back and talk to Ken about it.
Why didn't I even think of this in the first place?
That's why you need me. Okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
No, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. That's a stupid, beautiful idea. I mean, how can surrogacy become such a beautiful idea, Tasha? Just look at you. Your womb is intact, you're perfect, you're more than capable of carrying a baby in your tummy. I'm also fit enough to get you pregnant. Why in the hell are you suggesting surrogacy?
Babe, the baby is ours. I mean, it will be ours. It's your sperm and my eggs. The only thing missing here is that I'm not the carrier. That's
Why?
it.
Tell me why you do not want to carry your own baby in your womb. Why, Tasha?
Okay, I am not ready to go back and forth on this issue. I only brought us a possible solution to our problems. But if you think if you keep doing this, I'll accept it, I won't. What happens when I get pregnant? My boobs will go all sagged. I'll go out of business. I'll be losing and I need to stay relevant in this business. I have deals I have to sign, Ken. Can't you see it? Huh?
Tasha, listen carefully, Tasha. No one, not even you, is going to remain young and sexy forever.
Okay, I know this and I know this too well, but that's still then, okay? And don't even yell at me. I brought us a possible solution. If you won't take it, please don't you ever bother me again, okay? If you won't take it, I don't know what you have to do. Just go. Go, you can divorce me, whatever. I don't care. Excuse me.
Tasha? Let's do it. Let's do the surrogacy.
Baby,
everything will go well, right? This is the 21st century and you can possibly get whatever you want within a twinkle of an eye. Okay?
Well, I love you so much, so that's why I'm accepting this.
And I love you too, my darling.
So how do we go about this without people finding out?
Baby, you have no reason to bother your pretty head. Okay? The surrogate might not even know us and we don't even need to know her. This will cost us money, yes, but trust me, baby, we're going to make it, and even more. The surrogate home is going to provide a carrier and a place that the carrier will stay until the baby is delivered. And once our baby is delivered, we get our baby and that's it. Simple. Okay?
I love you.
And I love you more, baby. Thank you.
Like I said earlier, we are the best in what we do. And top notch is our utmost concern. Please, can you just tell us how much everything will cost? We don't have all day, right? I know, baby. I mean, we have other engagements, so just go straight to the point instead of all this long talk, if you don't mind. It is going to cost you 6 million naira. Okay. We will make sure the carrier is kept safe and she wouldn't have any sexual intercourse with any man until the baby is delivered. You don't have to know her and she doesn't need to know you either. So,
How do we go about finding a carrier?
The carrier is available. Professionals. So how fast can we kickstart the process? As soon as the payment is made.
Wow. Okay, doctor, we will make the payment available in your account before the end of today.
No mistakes, please. We're professionals for a reason.
Thank you very much, doctor. We really appreciate your time and everything.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
All right, thank you for the ride. Thank you,
Okay.
doctor.
It's okay. Thank you.
Bye. Bye. That wasn't bad.
Here we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So how is it going?
So far, so good. The exchange was done yesterday. I mean, the sperm and the eggs was collected yesterday. They were being inserted in the carrier, so hopefully we're waiting for the result of our 6 million naira.
That shouldn't be a problem. Just calm down. You're professionals and they're going to give you the best.
I trust you. Like, this is a big relief. I can't thank you enough for introducing me to this surrogacy. I'm so thankful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It's fine. It's fine. No problem.
Yeah. How about Jemima? I've not seen her and her number seems not to be connecting for a while now.
Wait, that one. She didn't tell you she met a new guy, her new boyfriend. They traveled to Dubai for holiday. And I'm even wondering why she hasn't posted on Instagram yet.
You don't say.
Jemima is a baby girl.
A baby girl. I mean, she's going to pepper her rivals.
She's living the life.
Exactly. I mean, the world is her oyster. So what do you think?
Oh, you look so good, by the way. I love this fit.
That's the girl.
Very cool found. Like, you look astonishing.
Babe, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm okay. Just I've been thinking
About
about this surrogacy thing. I mean, doesn't it sound a bit weird that people didn't see you with a swollen tummy or see you pregnant and all of a sudden they are going to see you carrying a baby? What's funny about it, babe? Listen, see, think about mama. Think about the entire social media.
it's very funny, baby. Okay, listen. My job is all about make-believe. So I can make anyone to believe whatever. Yes, baby. We stay in a big house. I can remain here. Keep away from the eyes of everyone, the public events, what have you not. Yes, babe, I can. Alright, you have nothing to worry about. I have everything planned out.
Okay, well, if you say so.
You have nothing to worry about. Everything is sorted out. Okay?
Alright, darling. Okay.
You'll be fine.
I hope so.
You don't need to worry. You had a long day. You need to rest.
I know, but it keeps, coming to my mind. I'm just nervous.
Don't worry. We're in this together. Okay?
Alright,
I
darling.
got you.
Thank you.
Who's coming back? Oh, Ekene. Hello. Ekene, how are you? How is your wife? How is business now? Huh? Good news. Tell me now, what good news? Woo! My God is wonderful. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Hey, she's expecting. Oh, thank God. I know that this God will never fail me. I told you, this God is a wonderful God. Do you know that? I know how happy you are. Eh? You're sounding so happy and excited. You see, when I came and I was saying, do this, you thought I'm doing you bad. Have you seen? Oh, Chineke Ekene. Ekene. I'm grateful, Lord. I'm grateful, Lord. Hi, Ekene. Hi, okay, don't worry. I'll come and see her. Let me get... That's... How do you mean? She's leaving the country? Oh, wow. Kojo Obodoyo. Ow! These children, oh, they just get pregnant. Fiam! They're going to Obodoyo. Anyway, I don't blame you people. This Nigerian government, if they had put everything in place, who would be bothering to go out? But it is well. Hi! Hey! I'll soon be a grandmother. You know what it means? Oh, I'll tell my fellow women, no, they will rejoice with me. Hey! Hi! Please, so, wow, she's leaving immediately. Wow! That's interesting. Please, you know that, you see me in the village? I can't call Obodoyiwo. Obodoyiwo calls are very expensive. The last time you called me and said I should call you from there, it was not. So tell her when she gets there, she should call me. When she puts to bed, I want to be the first to hear the cry of the baby. Hi! Oh, thank God. I'm so excited and happy. Hi! Okay, bye-bye. Greet her for me. Hi! Inokwa? I'm there. How? Chineke. Why won't I worship you? What can't you do for me? Oh, I'm grateful, Lord. I'm grateful. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Jesus. Hi! I will give you thanksgiving. Hey! Inokwa. My daughter-in-law is expecting. After 4 years. Oh, look at how excited Ekene sounded. Yeah, one more. How?
I heard both of you on your professional capacities and because I can trust you a bit. Now listen to me and listen clearly. If you fail to keep whatever happens here a secret, it will lead to your death. And I mean it. I don't mean to scare any of you. I'm just being as simple as I can be. Now all I need you both to do is to focus and deliver your jobs excellently. Do your job, get paid, and go home with your mouth sealed. Alright?
Alright.
We will pay you 500,000 naira each. And I'm sure that is enough to make you mind your businesses. Have I made myself clear?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. So we'll do business then.
Okay.
I'll pick you up on Saturday.
Alright.
Alright, so see you at work.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Yeah.
Blessing, look at. Natasha is pregnant. So this is why she has been off social media all this month. I'm so happy for her. This is real. Jesus.
I can't imagine her joy after 4 years marriage.
Just look at her husband. Very cute. Her husband is so cute.
Hello, my amazing Natasha Adams family. I know you've seen the picture I posted, so I had to come here to show you that it is real. I've seen so many comments. As you can see, this is a live video and you can see my bum. It's all real. Baby is kicking happily. Soon baby will be out. Take a look, all angles. Here. Oh, Chidima, thank you so much. Thank you so much. How are the symptoms? Anyways, I'll just call my baby a blessed child because this particular one he's so calm. I hear people say, oh my God, my first baby was, the symptoms were so bad. But this, as you can see, I am fully made up. I can wear my heels, I can wear everything. I just feel like I have a prince inside of me. No issues at all. Just slightly, I can get dizzy at some point, but now I am very, very strong. Stephanie is saying, thank God for you. Oh, Stephanie, thank you so much. I'm truly grateful to God. God is indeed the greatest. What? Okay is saying more babies to your family. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ezeh, how are you doing, my amazing Natashan family? Ada is saying God's guidance. Oh, thank you so much, Ada. Kingsley saying he likes my baby bomb. Thank you so much, Kingsley. Don't let my husband catch you. Thank you. Guys, I gotta go now. Baby is calling. Gotta go. Getting tired, pregnancy syndromes. Bye.
Hey, Jamina. My baby.
How are you?
Hi, welcome, darling. You smell so good.
Thank you. Thank you, babes. Natasha has set social media ablaze. Well, I'm happy for her.
Do you know I've been on my phone since today? I mean, it's not easy managing fame. And if you've never been a celebrity that wants to stay relevant, you'll not understand.
Well, I just pray this facade works out good for her and end as soon as possible.
You do know, Natasha. She has this under control.
Please, get me something to drink and gist day. What happened at that gist day? Okay, Otumba is taking me to South Africa.
Are you serious? How? When?
Go and get me a drink. You're brought to the house.
See now.
No, I don't want to rush the gist. Go first.
I'm coming. Are you
Go on.
serious?
Yes.
I'm coming. Easy.
Be fast, though.
Wait, just chill. I'm coming.
A lady has to do what she has to do to get what she wants. It's a make-believe industry after all. So we'll continue to fake it to stay on top. Pregnancy ko, pregnancy ni. Hey? Who wants to carry a big tummy to spoil her beautiful shape? Obviously not me. If I hear pregnancy, oh no way.
Where have you been?
I went to check on Junior. Susan has put him to bed.
You know, you've made me a very, very proud father. And I'm so happy about that.
I should be thankful to you, baby. I'm thankful for your love. You've been so caring, supportive, everything. You are my soulmate. And I love you, baby.
And I love you too. I have a little worry though.
Which is?
Mama. She's definitely going to want to come for Omogwa. And you know Mama is a very smart woman. I mean, she might find out and even blow your cover.
Baby, that is not possible. It's not going to happen. Okay? We were able to take care of the pregnancy, remember? So we will take care of this one.
That's my girl.
You are married to Natasha Adams.
I know, right?
Your pretty wife. And remember, it's always a win-win for me. And you.
Yeah.
So don't worry your pretty head. You had a long day. You need to sleep.
Yeah, I'm so tired.
I love you, baby.
I love you more than anything in the world.
Aww.
I can't do that. I'll be having a meeting with Mr. Desmond, that's the CEO of Desi Textile. So I can't. Let's just leave it for the upper week, okay?
Excuse me.
Yes, sir. Yeah?
Madam, no vex. Na baby milk. Baby milk.
You shut it. Sir, can I please call you back? I'm so sorry. I just need to go now.
Madam, no vessel.
Are you okay? What is it?
Madam, I'm fine.
Mm-hmm.
My baby milk, you don't finish.
Baby Mick. Are you okay? What did I tell you the last time? I told you that you should never wait until the milk or whatever stuff he needs finishes. So why did you have to wait?
Madam, maybe not the milk and some diaper.
Yeah, and some what? You were waiting for me to come breastfeed him? Or you were waiting for your great-grandmother to breastfeed him? What did I tell you? I told you to tell me whenever stuff is about to finish, not when they're finished. I told you this. Listen, I don't like your clumsy nature. I'm going to credit your account now so you can buy whatever you need. So just check your bank and don't be stupid again. You're really getting on my nerves. Try this not next time. You're doing it. Honestly, this is not funny. This is really not funny. That girl just gets on my nerves. She's so stupid. Like, can you imagine? The only reason I'm keeping her is because she's hardworking, aside her stupidity.
Exactly. At least there's an advantage to her. Please, how is the baby doing, I beg?
Oh, baby's fine. It's okay. Spends most of its days with Susan. You know, I'm barely at home.
Yeah.
My work and all, you know how stressful it can be. At the end of the day, I am so tired. But it's okay. Susan is taking good care of him. You know, Amanda, I really never wanted to have kids, but I just can't thank you enough for introducing me to this. This baby has put so much smile on Ken's face. He's so happy.
You see, I told you.
Yeah, you did. I would have really been so sad and heartbroken if I had left Ken. He's so amazing, he's supportive, he's loving, he's understanding. I'm so glad to have him.
It's fine, babe. It's actually very fine. You know, I'll actually do anything to come through for you. And yes, about your mother-in-law or something, I think you should take care of her because she might not be understanding as my sisters.
Yeah, sure, I have everything under control.
Okay.
Right now, we're not going to let her come in anytime soon. At least for 4 to 5 months. By then, the pregnancy signs must have disappeared.
Oh, yes, that's true. Wow, that's brilliant.
But I'll still keep in touch with her. That way, we're still taking care of her, right?
Brilliant. Tasha. My #1 slaying friend.
Girl is Big Tash. Oh my god, girl, thank you so much. I should really get you something. You're the brain box. You know?
I saw this beautiful hair. It's...
You know you're very materialistic.
I know.
Okay, fine. Send me the picture. I'll get it for you.
Where's my phone?
I don't understand. What do you mean?
What is there not to understand? It's that simple. You are a mother now. You should start paying more attention to your child. You can't just keep leaving your child with Susan every single time.
Why? Like, I don't understand why. Susan takes proper care of him without complaint. So why can't I leave him with her? I mean, you know how stressful my work is. It's so demanding. I can't even be at a place at a particular time. I have to be here and there. And you want me to sit back and babysit him? Why I pay heavily for that? No way. I never wanted children now, and you know that, but you forced me. So what's with all this attitude about me babysitting him myself?
You know, I'm not even surprised. Because you have been very, very impossible. But right now, you are saddled with a stronger responsibility. You have given birth, you have a son. The least you can do is pay more attention to him. I can't even remember the last time you held him in your hands in the past 1 week. I can count how many times you've done that. Not to talk of showing him your face as his mother.
Ken, I can't do this. I have a very important meeting to catch and I need to leave now. Have a good day.
What is more important than your own son? Natasha!
Dave, first things first, where are we headed?
Okay, just take me down to... excuse me. Sorry. Yeah. Oh, you done? Okay, I'll be there in 5 minutes. Alright, thank you. So please, take me down to the car wash so I'll pick up my car.
Okay.
And I'll meet you up in the lounge in an hour.
Okay.
Yeah, just need to get one or two things.
Alright. A friend of mine told me that the rich company called you up.
Yeah, they did. We just resolved 30 minutes ago.
Okay.
I had it in mind to surprise you with it at the lounge, but now we are here. Let me just spill it out.
Please do.
Okay. We just bagged another 18 million naira deal. Yeah. I'll meet with the board on Tuesday.
Oh my god. That's what I'm talking about. Big Natasha Adams is the real deal.
Number one. You're unstoppable. You're unstoppable.
These people are not ready.
Yeah, they are not.
Like, they're not ready. They're not in for this bomb blast.
That's the second. Go up here. One step at a time.
Alright.
Yeah.
Are we there yet?
Mm-hmm. Don't open your eyes yet, darling.
Okay.
Okay. One, that's another stairs up.
Alright.
Beautiful. That's it. So I'm about to turn on the light now. Just hold on to the chair. Put your hand on the chair. Put your hand on the chair. Yeah. You found it?
Yeah.
Now leave your eyes closed.
Closed?
Don't open them.
Sure.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ta-da! Happy anniversary to us, darling.
Oh.
Darling. From the bottom of my heart, I love you so much.
Babe, can you imagine I didn't even remember today?
It's alright.
You're so sweet, Ken. I love you really.
Thank you, baby. So, why don't we make a wish?
Yeah, sure. Oh my goodness, you did all this? This is beautiful.
Okay. That's for you, darling.
Thank you, darling.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Yes, I cooked that. So, at this point, baby, I want to wish for an unending love in our lives.
Oh yeah?
Amazing help for the both of us. And of course, your favorite, more money.
Oh yes, please, loud it.
Of course, I know.
More money.
And I wish for happiness and I wish for every good thing of life for the two of us till the end of time.
Together forever.
Together forever.
Somebody! Somebody! Open the gate! Open the gate!
Hello, Josh. Yeah, I've been stabilized now, so I'm just trying to get home to freshen up and pick a few things that we need. My wife is still in the hospital, and I'll rush back to meet her immediately. I already told Tasha that I don't want our baby to be all alone with Susan. So when I get to the hospital, I'll replace Tasha. Tasha can come home and rest for a while. You know, I want us to always be by our baby's side. Thank you very much for checking. Yeah. So, exactly what I told the guy, and he said, if I can assemble a strong team to come on their such a project, then maybe they will credit us and we'll win the contract.
Okay, that should be easy to do.
Yes, of course, judging from our level of experience and expertise. Yep, easy peasy.
I hope it goes well, babe.
Of course it will. Your fingers are warm, are you okay?
Oh yeah, I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Oh. Thanks, Susan.
Oh.
Sorry, babe.
Thank you, Susan.
How is my boy?
He's fine. He's there upstairs, they sleep.
Alright, when he's up, bring him to me.
Okay. Thank you, ma.
So, as I was saying, darling, next week, I'll be traveling. I have to go and oversee our company's new branch construction in Abuja. It might take about, let's say, 2 or 3 weeks.
That long?
I know it's long, but my team, listen, darling, my team is spearheading the entire project, and you know what that means.
I'm missing you already.
I know, darling. I'm missing you too. So, take care of this beautiful house, and of course, and the baby.
He's my son, Ken.
I know, I'm just trying
Stop.
to emphasize.
Come here.
Okay, I'm sure we have everything under control.
I'll miss you so much.
I'll miss you too. 2, 3 weeks, like 2, 3 minutes.
Just let's say 3 weeks.
Okay, 3 weeks, just like 3 minutes. Huh?
Just like 1 year.
No.
Yes.
Babe, you know I'll soon be late and I don't want to miss my flight.
I know, right? But I'll miss you. Please take it easy, okay?
I will. I'll call you every single day.
Okay.
Okay. I don't put everything for me.
Yeah, take
I'll make
this
a
one.
Okay.
I'm going to miss you. Please take it easy, alright?
Mm.
Take care of yourself.
I love you, darling.
I love you too.
Bye.
Let me walk you to the car, okay?
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Yeah, bye.
Bye-bye, sir.
Tash.
Dave, I told you.
I'm sorry, okay? I am deeply, deeply, deeply sorry, right?
I've been
But,
waiting.
oh, but it was worth it, trust me. It was.
You look so excited. What's up?
I am. Wait, you've not checked your phone?
No, what's there?
What's the problem? Listen, there's this company from South Africa, yeah? They called.
Alright.
They said they needed you for modeling as a brand ambassador.
Okay.
Yeah, you're going to model the products. Their panties, their bikinis, their lingerie, I don't know what lingerie,
yeah.
And you know, whatever they have.
Alright.
And guess what? The best part of this deal is that this deal leaves us with 25 million naira annually. Isn't that massive?
No, please, Dave. Please, tell me you're joking.
I kid you not, I'm not joking. Trust me.
Oh my goodness.
Check your mail now. Check it.
I didn't see it. Oh my goodness.
This is
Dave.
This is the biggest so far.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is so huge. Like, this is the biggest.
Yeah.
And they keep underrating me. I told these people that I'm second to none. Who can come close to this?
Of course now.
I'm so delighted. This is just like I'm dreaming.
Of course.
Oh my god.
I told them that you are the unbeatable number one. I mean, you're taking over.
Did you just say I'm taking over?
Yes.
No, that's an understatement. I have already taken over. This is no, check it.
God, I can't believe
it. Come close to this.
The first time they called, I was like, no. Can you say it again? They said it again. I'm like, you know what? Just send me a mail. They sent the mail. I was like, God, this is huge.
I can't even believe it. Am I dreaming? Like, please pinch me.
You have it.
You
have it. You have it. Trust me, you have it.
This is
it's
so
the
huge.
biggest.
Thank you so much, Dave. Thank you so much, Dave. Susan!
Madam!
What sort of seasoning did you use to cook?
Season what? Madam, na the ingredients where would they been they use?
No, I don't think so. It tastes awful.
Madam,
take it away.
Madam, the egg.
Take it away! Take it away!
Madam, you don't like this food.
Ew. You girls should please stop this. It's not funny.
But Natasha, sincerely speaking, the signs are showing all over you.
Exactly.
You might be pregnant.
Pregnant? How? How? It's not even possible.
What do you mean, not possible? I mean, you live with a man in this house, so?
Not the white nose.
Please.
See your boobs. Your chin.
Please just stop this and stop wishing me bad luck.
It's obvious.
It is not pregnancy. I am not even pregnant. No how. It's not even possible. I'm about to hit my biggest jackpot with an international company. I'll be modeling underwears for them. So what are you talking about? How are you talking about pregnancy now? That's bad luck.
What do you mean it's not possible? You live with a man in this house, so it's definitely possible.
Who cares? Please stop wishing me bad luck, okay? It's going to happen now.
Ha!
Natasha, stop playing. I mean, look at your boobs. Your
Look at cheeks.
It's obvious.
See the way she's even sitting.
No, I just had to sit there because you brought it. It's pretty. Stop laughing, it's not funny.
Oh yeah, just go and check now.
Check what? There's nothing to check.
Go on, check.
So you're barren now? Wait, Natasha, sorry, I'm not sure I heard you correctly. What do you mean by
I'm terminating it. What's the big deal?
Can you listen to yourself? Everything is the big deal, Tasha. Why would you want to flush your child? A married woman for that matter. Tasha, this is so many people's prayers, and besides, it's a privilege to have a strong connection with your child from the womb. What's your problem?
What are you even talking about? I am not ready. Okay? I have a lot to lose. I'm not ready to have a baby, not now.
Does that even really matter? Like, you're just so selfish here.
It really does. It really matters. I have a lot to lose. Come to think of it, I'm modeling lingeries for a huge company. Huh? If I keep this pregnancy, in the next 3 months, it will pop out. And what do I explain to all my clients? Huh? What do I tell them? How do I explain it? And after this big deal I got, I have 3 other huge companies. I have to model for them. And these people are coming because of this shape. So what do I do? Huh? So you just want me to fold my arms like I should say no to all these deals, all because of this pregnancy I never wanted? No way, my girl. I need to be on top of the charts. And for this to happen, I have to make sacrifice. Look, I have to do all it takes to remain on top of my game, girl. You know this deal now.
Tasha, can you just listen to yourself? Okay, fine. So why then did you get pregnant when you knew fully well that you weren't going to keep it?
That's a very good question. It's a big mistake and I totally regret it. I never planned for this. I mean, it all happened and I didn't even take my safety measures. We came back from our anniversary, we were wasted, we were drunk, we made out. Next morning, Junior fell sick, we had to rush to the hospital. We stayed several days. I didn't even remember that it was after 5 days. But right now, I can't hate myself forever. I can't. I can't keep punishing myself for what I did. I forgive myself and I'm so glad that there's a remedy. And you know how good this is? Ken is not in town. He won't be back in weeks, so I'm cool.
Tasha, honestly, I am not in support of this. I mean, look, what are you even saying?
Please, just stop, okay? I will do it. I've already made up my mind that I'm taking it out. Come to think of it, it's just 3 weeks. So it's not going to take so much to flush it away. But, Tasha, please, just stop doing this. You can't convince me. My mind's made up. And I would really love you to keep this secret as usual. Mandy.
Don't touch me. This is wrong.
Thank you.
This is so wrong.
That's for me to judge, not you.
Good morning, ma.
Yeah, good morning. How are you? Please, before I return, I want you to... Sorry. Hello, Dr. Lucas. Good morning. Okay, you're there now. All right, I'll see you in a jiffy. Okay.
Ma,
No vessel. You'll be wanting me something.
Yeah. Never mind, okay? Just make sure Junior eats properly, okay? Bye.
Sure say no be waiting here and I do small one go do. Doctor, I will be with you in a jiffy.
Babe, it's fine, okay? I'm so sorry I had to.
Honestly, you don't have to be. It's fine, okay? How are you doing? How have you been?
Just okay. Ken called and said he's coming back on Friday.
Oh, really? Wow. And I hope you left no trace behind.
No, I did everything. I flushed it out and it's clear.
Perfect. Can you just stop with the gloomy face, please? It's fine.
Yeah.
So how's all going?
Okay, just slow because of this. Do you want anything?
No. I'm fine.
Who's here? Who's home?
Okay, right officer.
How are you?
Fine,
Where's my wife?
sir. She did inside room with Junior.
Okay.
She don't come down.
Alright, go get my stuff from the car.
Okay, sir.
Oh, my sweetheart. Oh.
You're
I
welcome.
missed you so much,
I
darling.
missed you even more.
How did you cope when I was not around?
Just fine and humble without you.
I know, right? But guess what? I'm back now like I never left.
Yeah.
So, where's Junior? I can't wait to see him.
Upstairs sleeping. He has
Let's
missed
go,
you,
let's
back.
go.
Hello, my amazing Natasha Adams family. I speak to you with immense joy in my heart because I just hit 15 million followers. I'm so glad, everyone. I can't even contain my happiness. But this happened all because of your love. Please, guys, keep up with the love because it is just overflowing. So, in respect to this win, I will be running a giveaway tonight by 9 p.m. Guys, 9 p.m. You all know how we do it. I'll be picking random winners from this giveaway and they'll be winning something very, very, very huge. I am so happy. Thank you all for blessing my brand. Thank you all for all the love. I love you all. See you tonight. Mwah! This is just so amazing.
Cheers to my amazing 15 million followers. This is not audio, guys. Thank you so much. Cheers.
Natasha of good life.
Big Tash.
Big Tash.
Thank you, guys. It's not fake, girls. And they should be rest assured that Natasha Adams is here to take over. They will be so choked.
Period.
No.
Period.
You guys say hi to my Snapchat family.
Hi guys. Cheers.
Okay, guys, let's make it to a stand up.
Okay.
So this is a toast to Natasha Adams, the one and only. More bags, more money, more happiness, and more solid deals.
Big Tash, cheers.
More vacation. Big Tash, more vacation, and more happiness, more friendship.
Yes, more vacations. Thank you so much, girls. Thank you.
Amazing. You're welcome, guys.
You girls are the real deals. Thank you so much.
Susan, you don't do now. You just dey cry, I see somebody die. If person can't die now, nothing will happen, but the person just die now, you go pack yourself. No, you don't do. Wait till you need to find way now. I won't use get the money, we won't solve this problem. I won't use the money.
Chukwudi, you don't understand what they tell you. Where I go get 250,000? Chukwudi, the money where they talk now 250,000. Chukwudi, if I don't provide 250,000, my mama fit die. And we have to provide the money so fast they can do the operation for her. I don't want to lose my mama.
Wait first. I can ask this question. You don't get all this brother, sister, cousin, family, no family members. We go feel help one or two.
Yeah, Ishewu. Big head. How many times I don't tell you say, not only me and my younger brother, we still in secondary school, now my mama gets. I get family, I get uncle, I get brother, I get Dangote. What go help me? Now I come there for this, I come there, serve, they take his out from this Oyibo paper where they call herself celebrity, Chukwudi. Is it that my papa, younger brother? That one way into left leg, where bend.
Two left leg.
That one where they plan to pursue my mama for my papa house. Now you go give me 250,000.
Which kind wicked family come? Which kind stingy family be that? Wow. All this talk to them get mind do. Just come on to save life. They no fit. Nothing. But you na here. Oga. I see Oga, He won't travel go worry. Yes. You just tell madam say you won't go worry. So you go there for 3 days. 3 days now you go there. So as you see, whether you feel meet madam, madam feel help you for that kind of amount. No. Just meet her and reason her in a normal way. You get?
Good. Since when I know you for this compound, this is the first time that it makes sense. I know say they're stupid. I know even say something reasonable if you come out from this your door brain. If you tell me this is now. And madam na better person. If I go meet her, she will give me the money.
Ella, you know me. Wait. And bring food. No, just go bring food. My job. I don't give orientation. You don't give me food. Go bring food.
Why they give you this way they enter?
So guys, I don't know how to tell you else, but Brian O is the best. I had a client that came through and they did everything based on his interior decoration. You need to see it. I went through it and I'm like, you needed to see the before and after of his house. So guys, why don't you just hit up their link? You can be able to get to Brian O and then they'll have you sorted out. Okay? I'll just be right back. What?
Madam, no this. Madam, they call me from village. They tell me say they carry my mama go hospital now, and they need money. They need money now, like sharp. I need to send them 250,000. Madam, I beg. You know, so I don't get that kind of money. So I won't come beg you now. Say make you give me. If you can help me with the 250,000, madam, I beg.
If they no provide the money, my mama fit die. They won't use the money, do her operation. Nah, madam, I beg my mama.
Susan, I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry, but I don't have the money. I don't.
Madam, I beg, if you give me this money, you'll be removing it small from my money when you pay me.
Are you deaf? Are you? Answer me, are you deaf? Huh? You and I know that you're not deaf. I just told you I don't have the money.
Madam, don't do
Whereas,
this.
excuse me, I pay you 15,000 naira every month. Yes. Do you know how long that is to take? Like if I'm going to be taking it out from your salary?
I know.
Now get out, please. Leave. Eh? I said get out! Go!
My mama.
Are you okay? Huh? Where do you want me to get the money from?
Madam, I beg you.
I don't want to lose it here. I said get out. Get out! Get out! Silly. Do I pluck money from tree? Hello everybody, I am back, and just like what I was saying the last time, I want you to link in his bio. We have very, very esteemed and distinguished staff to talk to you. Brian O is the best for your interior decoration, for your hospitality management, and everything and more. If you want to get lands, when I say lands, very genuine ones. If you don't want lands, we can build and sell to you. Yeah, Jemima. From the information is a very big one. So, I'll be getting 2 weeks for the event. Oh yeah. Girl, I have to represent. My name and brand is at stake. Sure. Do you know the caliber of people that will be in attendance? The high and the mighty. So why not? Okay. The wigs you sent to me, you know, I picked 2 particular ones. They're my favorites. How much are they? Okay, 150K. Okay, that's fine. I'll send you the money before morning. Yeah. Girl, don't forget you're talking to Natasha Adams. Big Tash. Tasha for the money. Yeah. Come on. I have your details. You don't need to send it. Bye, girl. Thank you. Oh, Jemima, crazy girl. Where's my son?
He's inside room.
Has he eaten?
Yes, ma. I just say make I serve you first, so I go make him sleep.
Thanks. Run along. Better send the money now.
What happened now? Stand up. What happened? Stand first. Talk to me, I beg. Talk. Stand up.
My mother don't die.
You wanna know that? What happened now? What kill him? I think the surgery won't work again.
My brother called me this morning. My brother called me from village. Tell me, say my mother finally died.
Just like that. So, mother no even Say make she give you, if not 250k, may you use run the operation. Eh? But she could buy shoes, they buy clothes, they buy expensive jewelry them. Sorry.
What happened? What's going on?
Your mother don't die. Mother don't die.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Your brother call her from village. Tell her say mother don't die this morning.
Stand up.
Sorry. 250k. Now make this woman die. You now make your mother die.
What happened to her? She fell sick?
No, operation. No money to use to the operation. She don't find where she go borrow money. She don't see. Sorry. I'm sorry, yeah?
It's okay.
Sorry. This life, you can nobody borrow money to use to your mother.
It's okay.
Sorry, yeah? Sorry.
Take her inside. Let her freshen up.
Nah, this life no balance. I swear.
Hello, James. What's up, dude? Yeah, I'm alright. What do you mean? I don't understand. The internet? No, I've not been online since morning. My wife, what? You know what, just... Okay, fine, let me just check properly. I'll call you back. Let me check right now. Thank you. Later.
Hola, my people. It's me again. Shocking one. Shocking news. We received something really shocking from one Miss Susan. Now, quick one. Miss Susan happens to be the maid of the popular supermodel, which is Natasha Adams. Now, she has proof to her claim. They really said that there's nothing hidden under the sun in this life. Now, first of all, she said that Natasha Adams actually faked her pregnancy, that she had a surrogate baby, and faked the pregnancy with the help of a makeup artist just to post on social media. Imagine. Now, number two, she said that Natasha Adams committed an abortion without the knowledge of the husband, just to, so she wouldn't lose her shape, and then through that means lose endorsement and everything. People can go through lengths just to preserve fame and just for money. You see, all this has been revealed because, according to Miss Susan, that her mother was sick and she begged her for the money for the surgery. The money in question is 250,000. My people, we will agree that the certain or the so-called supermodel, which is Natasha Adams, only what she wears to an occasion is worth more than that. So you see the length of wickedness that I would say that is, and because of that, the poor lady's mother died. So my people, matters are rising. Only God knows what's more is remaining that has not been revealed. God bless you all. More to come.
Oh my God. I cannot believe you, Natasha.
I'm so sorry.
Sorry for what? What are you sorry for? That you got pregnant for me and aborted it? Just because you wanted to chase fame and fortune and then you hid it from me?
I'm sorry.
I'm sure if the doctor hadn't confirmed it, you were going to deny it as well. Weren't you? Thanks to Susan.
I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry.
You are not sorry! You are not sorry. You are only acting this way because this whole story got to the internet and you can't deal with the shame.
No.
Don't you dare touch me before I commit murder.
Listen to me. I am so sorry.
No, you listen to me very carefully. You've gotten what you wanted. You wanted a divorce, right?
No.
Fine. Go out there. Be that superstar model that you've always wanted to be. I will never, ever forgive you. But I tell you one thing. If you ever come an inch close to my son, you will know what I'm capable of.
Ken,
Get away from me.
Ken, I'm sorry. Ken, I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. Ken! Baby, you got me worried. Welcome.
Get your filthy hands off me! Don't even touch me. What do you care, huh? What do you care? Stay away. Stay away from me.
Ken? Baby. Ken, I'm sorry. Ken, please open up. I'm sorry. Ken, please, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Please. Please hear me out, Ken. Baby. Baby, I'm sorry. Please, can you just open up? Ken. Ken.
Hey, babe. I made breakfast. Good morning.
Amma, I am losing it. I've begged. I've begged day and night, but he wouldn't listen to me. I'm losing it, Amma. I am.
Tasha, honestly, I wouldn't blame Ken, to be very honest with you. Tasha, you went too far and I warned you. I mean, who wouldn't be angry? You're actually very lucky he still let you stay in that house. Because some other husbands might just throw you out and file for divorce immediately. I give him kudos to that, honestly.
Sorry. I am sorry. How else will I say that I'm sorry?
Tasha, we all know you're sorry, but just give him time to heal. It's not easy. Honestly, just give him time to heal. And besides, why didn't you even help that girl? It was just 250k. And her mother died, Tasha.
I just wish I can turn back the hands of time so I can right all my wrongs. I would do better. I swear.
Tasha, we all do. I really do. There's actually nothing wrong in getting pregnant, having your child, and building your own family. I mean, Tasha, you're very wealthy. After childbirth, you can travel abroad, get your body done, do whatever you want to do with your money. You can still be in shape after childbirth. And besides, I did not even tell you the full story about my sister. She got a surrogate not because she actually wanted to. It was because she had issues with her womb. The doctor said she wasn't able to carry a child, so she had to just opt for a surrogate. And I'm pretty sure that if she had her chance and her way, she could have wanted to carry her child and have a connection with her baby from the womb till childbirth. Honestly, we just have to hope and pray for the best because as for Ken, just let him heal. He's really going through a lot right now.
I'm sorry.
It's fine.
So why don't you just tell him that I'm sorry?
Can you just stop
Actually,
crying?
I'm so sorry. I didn't.
I don't understand. David, I got their message. But I don't know, but there's no how they want to greed on us now.
Tasha, the thing is, Tasha, all of our clients are terminating our contracts with them. All of them. They threaten that if we use or tag ourselves to their brands, they will sue us. I mean, they said you're a bad image for the brand.
I'm truly sorry, David. Please, how can we handle this? There should be a way, right?
We?
Yes.
Tasha. The question should be, how do you handle this? How do you fix your mess? Tasha, since this online saga, it's been bad for my business. It's been bad for my name. Nobody wants to do business with me anymore. My counterparts, they've all left me. It's so bad for my business. Listen, I don't know why you did what you did. But hey, it's on you to fix it. Okay? Tasha, I quit. I mean, it's part of business, right? If there's no business with you anymore, then what's the reason being with you? Right? So I just want to tell you that I quit, and I don't want to have anything to do with you until you clear your mess. Thank you and have a good life.
No. Wait, David.
That's the divorce papers. Sign it and leave my house before Monday. As from now on, you'll be talking to my lawyer.
Ken? Ken, please, can we just talk?
Why is Natasha calling me on the phone? What is wrong with her? It's not very clear that I don't want to work with you anymore. Why are you bothering my life? I think I should just block your silly ass. Rubbish.
Madam, I dey sorry. I pray you find a place in your heart to forgive me. I know say I don't already do what I do out of anger. I just need revenge for my mother's death. Sorry, ma. I acted so fast. I still beg you to forgive me. I know say this thing go done a lot of damage for your career, your image and your person as a celebrity. Madam, I wish I can turn back the clock hand. Forgive me, ma. I don't learn my lesson. I believe you will sincerely forgive me. For me, I apologize from my heart. Forgive me, ma. I still dey ask for forgiveness. I dey pray say Oga go forgive you. And she go forgive me too. As I dey talk to you now, I don't comot go far place where nobody go see me. I go there to find my better life. I pray that God will forgive us too. Bye, ma. Now your girl, Susan. Take care of your son and care of Oga for me. Bye, ma. Thank you, ma.